A. Present tense. A. Present tense. 1. Present simple tense. 1. Present simple tense. मैं अंग्रेजी बोलता हूँ. I speak English. I speak English. वह अंग्रेजी नहीं बोलती है. She does not speak English. She does not speak English. क्या आप अंग्रेजी बोलते हैं? Do you speak English? Do you speak English? 2. Present continuous tense. 2. Present continuous tense. मैं अंग्रेजी बोल रहा हूँ. I am speaking English. I am speaking English. वह अंग्रेजी नहीं बोल रही है. She is not speaking English. She is not speaking English. क्या आप अंग्रेजी बोल रहे हैं? Are you speaking English? Are you speaking English? 3. Present perfect tense. 3. Present perfect tense. मैंने अंग्रेजी बोली है. I have spoken English. I have spoken English. उसने अंग्रेजी नहीं बोली है. She has not spoken English. She has not spoken English. क्या आपने अंग्रेजी बोली है? Have you spoken English? Have you spoken English? 4. Present perfect continuous tense. 4. Present perfect continuous tense. मैं 7 दिनों से अंग्रेजी बोल रहा हूँ. I have been speaking English for 7 days. I have been speaking English for 7 days. वह 7 दिनों से अंग्रेजी नहीं बोल रही है. She has not been speaking English for 7 days. She has not been speaking English for 7 days. क्या आप 7 दिनों से अंग्रेजी बोल रहे हैं? Have you been speaking English for 7 days? Have you been speaking English for 7 days? 5. Can ability. 5. Can ability. मैं अंग्रेजी बोल सकता हूँ. I can speak English. I can speak English. वह अंग्रेजी नहीं बोल सकती. She cannot speak English. She cannot speak English. क्या आप अंग्रेजी बोल सकते हैं? Can you speak English? Can you speak English? 6. May possibility. 6. May possibility. मैं अंग्रेजी बोल भी सकता हूँ. I may speak English. I may speak English. वह अंग्रेजी नहीं बोल भी सकती. She may not speak English. She may not speak English. क्या आप अंग्रेजी बोल भी सकते हैं? May you speak English? May you speak English? 7. Must necessity. 7. Must necessity. मुझे अंग्रेजी जरूर बोलना चाहिए. I must speak English. I must speak English. उसे अंग्रेजी जरूर नहीं बोलनी चाहिए. She must not speak English. She must not speak English. क्या आपको अंग्रेजी जरूर बोलना चाहिए? Must you speak English? Must you speak English? 8. Ought to duty. 8. Ought to duty. मुझे अंग्रेजी बोलना चाहिए. I ought to speak English. I ought to speak English. उसे अंग्रेजी नहीं बोलना चाहिए. She ought not to speak English. She ought not to speak English. क्या आपको अंग्रेजी बोलना चाहिए? Ought you to speak English? Ought you to speak English? 9. Dares. 9. Dares. मैं अंग्रेजी बोलने का साहस करता हूँ. I dare to speak English. I dare to speak English. वह अंग्रेजी बोलने का साहस नहीं करती. She does not dare to speak English. She does not dare to speak English. क्या आप अंग्रेजी बोलने का साहस करते हैं? Do you dare to speak English? Do you dare to speak English? 10. Needs. 10. Needs. मुझे अंग्रेजी बोलने की जरूरत है. I need to speak English. I need to speak English. उसे अंग्रेजी बोलने की जरूरत नहीं है. She does not need to speak English. She does not need to speak English. क्या आपको अंग्रेजी बोलने की जरूरत है? Do you need to speak English? Do you need to speak English? 11. Have to responsibility. 11. Have to responsibility. मुझे अंग्रेजी बोलना पड़ता है. I have to speak English. I have to speak English. उसे अंग्रेजी नहीं बोलनी पड़ती है. She does not have to speak English. She does not have to speak English. क्या आपको अंग्रेजी बोलनी पड़ती है? Do you have to speak English? Do you have to speak English? 12. Am, is, are to inform. 12. Am, is, are to inform. मुझे अंग्रेजी बोलना है. I am to speak English. I am to speak English. उसे अंग्रेजी नहीं बोलना है. She is not to speak English. She is not to speak English. क्या आपको अंग्रेजी बोलना है? Are you to speak English? Are you to speak English? 13. Order, request. 13. Order, request. कृपया अंग्रेजी में बात करें. Please speak English. Please speak English. कृपया अंग्रेजी न बोलें. Please do not speak English. Please do not speak English. चलिए अंग्रेजी में बोलते हैं. Let's speak English. Let's speak English.